Chapter 2 Polynomials. So, before we start exercise, let us first try to understand what is polynomials. So, before we reach here, let us first know what is constant and variables. Now, what are constants? Constant is a fixed value like 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Variables are values that are keep changing according to the situation. So we denote it by letters like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, and so on. So constants are numbers that is fixed in any situation. Variables are letters that is different and it vary according to the situation. So when we combine this constant and variable, we get algebraic. What we get? We get algebraic expressions. We get algebraic expression. Now, so algebraic expressions contains constant variables. Along with that, it will have plus, minus, multiply, and divide. So combining all this will give you an algebraic expressions. Let us write few examples like 2x. It is an algebraic expressions constant 2. Now it is a coefficient with x. So this is a variable. So we can write 2x plus 1 also. We can write 3x square plus 4x plus 1 and so on. So these all are examples of algebraic expressions. Now next, we will learn this kind of algebraic expression in this chapter and we call it as polynomials. So we are going to learn about polynomials. And it is very similar to algebraic expressions. Now, in a polynomial, few things you have to note or you have to remember. It will have variables. Power of variable must be a whole number. Okay, children? If you are writing a polynomials, then there must be a variable and the power of variable must be a whole number. Example, let us see few examples. 2x square. So is a variable and the power is in a whole number. So what a whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3. These all are whole numbers. So power should be in this form. One example I have written of polynomials. Next, one example I can write 3x plus 5. So here you can see this is a variable and here the variable is x. These two you can see, these two numbers are with the variable 2 with x square and 3 with x. So these two are called coefficient. So what it is called? It is called coefficients. And this without any variable is a constant. So here you can see, children, there are three things: variable, x, coefficient with the variable, and a constant without any variable. Now at the same time, here you can see 1 plus again 2 plus again 3. So there are how many terms? There are 3 terms. In this example, there are 3 terms. Okay, there are 3 terms. Now, if you have one term, then the name of that polynomial is monomial. If you have 2 terms, the name is binomial. If there is 3 terms, then it is trinomial. Okay, children? Now, last topic before we do exercise 2.1 is degree of polynomials. I'll write one polynomial x square plus 3x plus 1. So this is a polynomial. It has one variable, that is x. Now you can see the power on the variable, there is 2 and here is 1. So what is the highest power here? The highest power is 2. So highest power is 2. So degree will be 2. Okay, children? One more time. One more example. X cubed plus 4x square plus 2x minus 1. Let us take example. What is the variable here? X. X. Highest power is 3. So highest power is 3. So degree will be 3. Okay. So now if the degree is 1, for example 2x plus 5, here degree is 1. So this kind of polynomial is called linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, like 2x square plus 5x minus 5, now the highest power is 2, degree is 2. So if it is a degree 2 polynomial, then it is called quadratic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, like 2x cube plus 4x square minus 7, let's say. Now degree is 3. So this kind of polynomial is called cubic polynomial. I hope all the things are clear.